everyone. Welcome to English with Friends. I'm Natalia, your English teacher.
And I'm Mateo. I'm learning English.
That's right. And today we'll talk about daily routine, the things we do every day. We'll learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities.
Wow, that's a lot, teacher.
Yes, but don't worry. We'll go slowly, step by step. Ready, Mateo?
Ready.
Ready, listeners? Let's begin. Let's start with greetings. When we meet someone, we say hello. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Good. Now say hi.
Hi.
Excellent. In the morning, we say good morning.
Good morning.
In the afternoon, we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And in the evening, we say good evening.
Good evening.
Before going to bed, we say good night.
Good night.
Perfect. Now, let's practice together. I'll say a time of the day and you say the greeting. Morning.
Good morning.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Evening.
Good evening.
Night.
Good night.
Excellent, Mateo. Listeners, you can repeat with Mateo too. Now, let's learn some numbers. Repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5,
Good. Let's keep going. 6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Wonderful. Now, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now, let's play a small game. I'll say a number and you say the next one. 2,
3,
5,
6,
9.
10.
Excellent, Mateo. Listeners, can you do it too? Let's learn the days of the week. Repeat after me. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Great job. Now, let's say them all together slowly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Perfect. Mateo, what day is today?
Today is Wednesday.
Nice. And tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Good work. Now, let's talk about some objects we use every day. Repeat after me. Pen,
Pen,
book,
book,
phone,
phone,
table,
table,
chair,
chair,
bag,
bag,
cup.
cup.
Excellent. Mateo, what do you have on your table?
I have a pen, a book, and a cup.
Very good. Listeners, look around you. What do you see? Try to say it in English. I see a, and name the object. Example, I see a phone. Repeat after me. I see a phone.
I see a phone.
Nice. Now, let's talk about something delicious, food and drinks. Repeat after me. apple,
apple,
banana,
banana,
bread,
bread,
rice,
rice,
water,
water,
juice,
juice,
coffee,
coffee,
tea.
tea.
Excellent. Mateo, what do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like bread and coffee.
Yum. And for lunch?
I like rice and chicken.
Nice. Listeners, what do you like to eat? Say, I like, and the food. Example, I like apples. Repeat after me. I like apples.
I like apples.
Perfect. Now let's learn some daily activities. Repeat after me. Wake up.
Wake up.
Get up.
Get up.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Study English.
Study English.
Eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
Go home.
Go home.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
Go to bed.
Go to bed.
Excellent. Now, Mateo, tell me about your daily routine.
Okay. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English in the evening. Then I go to bed.
Perfect. That's a great daily routine. Now, listeners, it's your turn. Try to say your daily routine in English. You can start like this. I wake up at. I eat breakfast at. I go to work at. Now let's practice together. I'll say a word or phrase, and you repeat after me. Ready?
Ready.
Good morning.
Good morning.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Monday, Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday.
Book.
Book.
Apple.
Apple.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Excellent! Okay, let's review what we learned today. We learned greetings, hello, good morning, good night. Numbers 1 to 10. Days of the week, Monday to Sunday. Objects: pen, book, phone, table. Food and drinks: apple, bread, coffee, water. Daily activities: wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, go to bed.
That's a lot of English.
Yes, and you did an amazing job. Let's say one more time. Good morning. 1, 2, 3. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Apple, coffee, water. Wake up, go to work, go to bed.
Yay! Easy and fun.
Yes, learning English can be fun when you practice every day. And listeners, practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Repeat, listen, speak.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep talking.
Exactly. Well, that's all for today's episode. My daily routine.
Thank you, Teacher Natalia.
Thank you, Mateo, and thank you everyone for listening. See you next time. Bye-bye.